Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through the pros and cons of using Innago in 2025. Innago property management software is a popular option, especially among small to mid-sized landlords, known for its user-friendly interface and a free-to-use pricing model. Let's start with the pros of using Innago in 2025. 1. Cost-effective pricing. Innago has a free version available and uses a transaction fee-based model, which makes it very affordable, especially for landlords with smaller portfolios who can only pay when specific transactions like ACH payments occur. 2. User-friendly interface. The platform is widely praised for being intuitive and easy to navigate for both landlords and tenants, which simplifies the adoption process. 3. Comprehensive features. It offers a robust set of essential tools, including online rent collection, like ACH and card payments. Also includes expense tracking, maintenance management, list tracking, and e-signatures, tenant screening, both background and credit checks, and vacancy advertising. 4. Strong customer support. Users consistently report high satisfaction with the customer support team, describing them as responsive, friendly, and helpful. 5. Automation. The software allows for the automation of processes like tenant approval and billing, saving time and reducing manual effort. Next is scalability. The platform is designed to be flexible, enabling users to manage a single property or scale up to a portfolio of rentals with ease. Lastly, mobile accessibility. It offers mobile access, which allows for managing properties remotely without a physical presence. Now it looks like all is well, all is good. So what is the downside to it? One of the downsides to using Innago in 2025 is 1. Transaction fees. Now, we said earlier that the software is free to start, but some features such as ACH deposits incur a small transaction fee that's often paid by the tenant or the landlord, which may be a drawback for those seeking a completely free solution for all functions. 2. Potential lack of advanced accounting. For very large portfolios or complex accounting needs, Innago's built-in accounting tools might be less comprehensive than dedicated, higher-priced property management systems. 3. Limited customization. While the list templates are customizable, users with highly specific or unique needs might find some features less flexible compared to enterprise-level software. And the last con is learning curve for advanced features. While the basic interface is easy, mastering every feature for optimization may require some time investment, although customer support helps mitigate this. In summary, Innago is an excellent, reliable, and user-friendly choice for small to medium-sized landlords seeking an all-in-one cost-effective solution with strong support and essential features. Its main trade-off is the presence of transaction fees and potentially less complex accounting functions compared to premium alternatives. Hope you found this video helpful.